Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Ryan Hunter back again with another video. And take a look at this. We got a major snowstorm here in Brossard. Take a look at all this. Wow. That is insane. In fact, the snow is pushing around. It's pushing around everywhere. I don't even know how to describe it, but wow. This is insane. This is really insane. Honestly, I was expecting this to be the last snowfall of the year, but wow. This is maybe the final snowfall that we get. I'm not sure at the moment, but still, hopefully it is. Yeah, for a nice bonus, we get an RTL scrap that just showed up. I think that's 21. I don't see where. Okay, never mind. It's 2018, so there's 21/8/27. Yeah, that's right. 21/8/27. Yeah, but take a look at all this. And all this on a Sunday. Wow. That is intense. I honestly was not expecting that. But yeah, just wanted to show my viewers on how intense the snowfall is here in Brossard. So, yeah. Not much else to say, but you guys are pretty much it. So, yeah. I guess I'll end the video right here. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. More videos to come. Take care.